In this video, I'll show you how to ban someone on Discord Mobile. So if you want someone removed and banned from your server, then this is how you do it. Press on your server name at the top, and then come over and tap on settings to the right. That'll open up your server settings. So you want to scroll down to the user management section at the bottom, and then press on members. That'll open up a list of all members in your server, so tap on the person that you'd like to ban. And then if you come down, you'll see you have the option to ban, and then it says the person's username, so press that. In here you have the option to delete the message history with the person, so we're just going to choose the previous 7 days. And then you also have the option to type a reason for the ban. So when that's done, just press the ban button at the bottom, and you'll see that that person is banned from the server. So that's how you do it.